If you are wondering if it is possible to create folders in the app drawer on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. It is not possible to categorize these apps that we have in the app folder and put them into a folder essentially. But what you can do instead is you can use these categories that we have on the top. We have a couple of pre-made categories that we can use, and of course if you go to settings over here and choose to manage app categories, you can for example remove them, or you can completely turn them off. You can also create a custom category, so you can choose whichever app should be available in that category. So let's say I'm gonna choose just some example apps. I'm gonna also set up the name for the category. There we go. We can also change the order. But as you can see here now, if I now switch to my category, I have all of my selected apps. So this is one way to categorize apps in the app drawer. Unfortunately, this isn't exactly a folder, but another way to organize your app drawer if necessary. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.